slow and wide, just a simple youth, not to misguide. But life then begins to tilt and drop, gentle rhythm gone, an urgent stop. It rushes ahead, forced by unseen need, gathering momentum, planting the seed. So let the fear of falling fade away, for every life must have its crashing day. Then comes the grand descent, a blinding moment, time abruptly spent at the edge of choice, leap into the air, a dizzying chaos, deafening to bear. It is the power gained from great fall that allows the river of freedom's call.